Hi, I'm just gonna run over how to use the modular tile system blueprint that I have created. Um, Basically, this is a textured version of what we had in the presentation, and I think it's exactly the same. I had some problems where I had to scale it up to the correct size that we had that we figured out last night, that Rob and I figured out. However, it's it looks really quite good if I jump into full screen. You can see I did not put a wall here, but that's okay because I can then show you how to do that. So if I jump out of game view and let's just click on this tile here, I'll come out of F11. We can see on the sides, let's close down these, we have layout. So the north, south, east and west, basically positive in the X direction is north. So we've got one on the north and the south, but we also want one on the west. So if we just tick west, it'll stick one in. So we've got that now, and it looks absolutely perfect. Um, we can also place in a door, which we've got here. The wall is door west, and this one's only got a west west door. So say we want to put a door in on this tile, and we want it to be here, so it blocks off this bit. So we can put a wall in on the south, and set wall is door to south, and of course I forgot to override the door positions. That should be 2. So the override is just the like a rotation um, in from the top down, which is probably easier to understand once you're actually using it. I can also in this one, I'm not sure whether it works, but set the north wall of this to tell it that there's a door to the north, and what that should do is get rid of the inside corners. I can't tell whether it has or not, but we don't seem to be getting Z fighting, so that should be fine. Yep. But yeah, so that's how you add a door in, and it looks really quite good. The levels are just incredibly easy to prototype with this. We can also, I haven't actually tested it yet, but let's say we want a room coming out here from this one here. So let's tell this is door to the south as well. And it does not. Oh yeah. We also, what I will do is I will set the override on all of them. It should be 2. There we go. And I think instead of this one saying where the wall is, I'll get rid of that south wall. I will put the wall on this one instead. There we go. So let's make a room coming out in this direction. So I'm just going to clone this with Alt and just clear these out. So just line that up, and I'm not even confident that this is going to work, so it's always a good time to try, because I haven't actually tested it yet. And these need to come in by one more, I believe. And we'll bring the last one out to here. So let's just set the walls. Sorry, that's north and west. West and south. South and east. And then this one is just east. So as you can see, there is a pillar in the center, and that's because all of these are not set to be rooms. And when we tell it it's a room, they should disappear, like that. There we go. So we now have a room, which if I build the lighting, I may actually also need to put a light in that room. Otherwise we will see absolutely nothing, which would be a little bit awkward. Yeah, there we go. Let's just grab this one and copy that across. Stick it in the corner so we've got some nice moody lighting. And just play from here. And we have a room with a lovely preview sign up there. But yeah, so we've got this section of the crew quarter tiles with the blueprint system that I made, and it's working really quite nicely. And there will be doors in here, which I'll add to the system once we get the doors in. So yeah, I hope you guys are okay using this. It's really, really, really fun and like easy to use, and like just I demonstrated there, like setting it out is so easy. Um, so yeah, I hope you guys are okay with using it, and if you've got any problems, just ask me. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you're not a member of the team, then yeah, I might run through how this works, or I might even put it on the asset store if there is an asset store for Unreal. I'm not sure if there is, but yeah. Thanks for watching.